I just want to spend a minute or two talking about your contemporary ethics issue action plan, which is due on the 18th. So you've already submitted your assignment in which you identified a medical ethical issue. So now you're going to apply one of the ethics frameworks that we covered in class to identify potential action steps to address the issue. So you've already practiced this in your reflection posting, applying an ethical framework. So that is probably the most logical one to apply because you've had some practice doing it. And really, they all include similar aspects, the similar steps that you would take. So you're going to, this assignment is about applying that framework to address the ethical issue that you identified already. So think about, if you're taking one position and you are trying to come to a consensus or a collaborative response with someone on the other side of the issue. So what is the issue? And that you've already identified both sides of the issue in your previous assignment. So now what are we going to do to address it? How can we come to that consensus or agreement on this issue? And then what steps can we take to address the issue? So that's basically all this assignment is applying that framework. A little bit larger scale than you did for the reflection, but still it should be no longer than 3 pages double space. Use appropriate references. That doesn't have to count for the 3 pages. And I don't really need to know, you don't need to label the framework that you're using. It should be logical. You can even do this if you'd like. You can do it in the form. You can use the template of the framework and structure it that way if that makes more sense to you. So it can either be a 3-page narrative written out in paragraph form, or you can do it in the template. I'm not going to be terribly picky in terms of the length of the assignment if you choose to do the template, because it might make more logical sense to do that single space within the sections. I just don't go crazy and don't make this overly long or overly burdensome. Just address the key points. Okay? So that's it for that assignment. You can email me or text me if you have any questions. And have a good day.